Watching a free bird champ its bite could be an amazing visual. Bird feeders are available in the market, but most of them are expensive. Here's a demonstration on how to make a bird feeder from throwaway containers. Materials which you require are plastic container, cutting plier, cane of 50 cm in length, thin iron wire, cutting blade, small and large. Cut the cane into a 15 cm long piece using cutting knife. Poke two circular holes at parallels on the base of the container and insert the cane through the container and out through the other hole. Mark an oval shape over the middle of the container just above the inserted stick using sketch pen. Cut out the oval shape from the container using the pointed edges of the cutting blade. Make sure that the hole is big enough for the bird to enter. Poke two small holes at the surface of the container cap. This is done in order to hang the bird feeder once it is made. Now insert thin iron wire through the holes and twist and wind the wires beneath the container cap. Mount the container cap on the container and your container bird feeder is ready to be hung. You could either hang it from a hook nail on the veranda or close to a window. Enjoy the visual delight at the cost of bird food. For more such interesting do-it-yourself videos, do keep watching webindia123.com.